Your mailbox may be one of the smallest features in the front yard, but it is also one of the first things people see from the street. When the post is faded, the grass is patchy, or the plants around it feel random, that little area can quietly drag down the whole yard. In this video, I am sharing 8 cheap ways to upgrade your mailbox area and turn it into a simple curb appeal feature without spending a fortune. First on our list is cleaning and straightening what you already have. Before you spend a single dollar on plants or fancy paint, take a hard look at your mailbox. Is it covered in mildew, leaning to one side, or buried in weeds? You do not need a brand new setup to completely transform the look. Dirt, mold, rust spots, and peeling stickers make the whole front yard look neglected. Giving the mailbox and post a good scrub with warm, soapy water instantly restores its appearance. Clean off old cobwebs, scrape away faded stickers, and tighten any loose screws or a drooping latch. If the post is leaning, straighten it safely. Clear out aggressive weeds and trim the patchy grass at the base. Before making any major structural adjustments, remember to check your local postal rules, homeowners association guidelines, and municipal regulations. If you need to dig to reset the post, always call 811 first to locate buried utility lines. Keeping the path safe and clear for your carrier sets a clean foundation for every other upgrade. In second place, you can completely refresh a weathered mailbox in under an hour with just a single leftover can of paint. Once everything is clean, a fresh coat of color delivers the absolute biggest visual jump for your money. Instead of replacing a faded metal box or a graying wooden post, try renewing them. The secret here is all in the prep work. Grab some sandpaper to scuff up the surface so the paint actually sticks, and choose a durable, weather-resistant exterior finish formulated specifically for metal or wood. Before you pick your shade, be sure to verify your homeowners association or local guidelines, as some neighborhoods regulate mailbox styles very strictly. Classic, restrained choices like black, charcoal, warm white, dark navy, or a color repeated from your front door always look incredibly polished. This simple step makes the mailbox look intentional and cared for, rather than just a forgotten utility at the edge of your lawn. Third on our list is giving the area a clean bed edge, because a sharp border can make even the smallest patch of soil look incredibly high-end. Many mailbox beds look messy simply because there is no clear boundary between the lawn, the soil, and the street. Creating a distinct shape, like a small circle or a gentle curve, reclaims this leftover ground. You do not need expensive materials. A crisp spade-cut edge costs nothing but a little muscle, while simple metal edging or a row of brick matching your home adds instant structure. Just keep the footprint proportional to the post so it looks planned rather than oversized. This single boundary changes how the entire front yard reads, turning a patch of weeds into a deliberate, polished feature. Number 4 on our list is spreading fresh mulch or decorative gravel, which is the absolute fastest way to make a patchy, weed-choked mailbox area look like an expensive, custom-designed garden bed. Once you have a crisp, defined edge, adding this clean top layer ties the whole look together. Faded dirt, weeds, or spotty grass around the base of your post instantly drags down the rest of your yard. To fix this, pull any stray weeds first, then lay down a thin, even layer of dark hardwood mulch or small decorative stone that matches the style of your home. Keep it light. About 1 to 2 inches is plenty to make your plants pop and keep the area looking sharp from the street. Just be sure to pull the material a few inches back from the post itself to prevent moisture from trapping against the wood or metal, keeping your mailbox stable, dry, and clean for years to come. Number 5, stop treating your mailbox bed like a miniature botanical garden. The secret to a high-end look is actually planting less, not more. Mailbox zones are notoriously tough, dry, and exposed to road salt and blazing sun, meaning a random collection of fragile flowers will quickly look crowded or neglected. Instead, choose just 2 or 3 hardy, site-appropriate plant varieties and repeat them. A classic combination like purple salvia paired with drought-tolerant sedum or fragrant lavender nestled into creeping thyme instantly looks like it was created by a professional designer. You can also mix a compact ornamental grass with hardy daylilies or catmint for a soft, modern touch. Just make sure to select low-growing varieties that won't block your mail carrier's access or obstruct driver sightlines. Before planting, always take a quick second to check your local homeowners association guidelines and municipal rules regarding street-side landscaping. This simple, repeated plant palette keeps your mailbox looking polished, deliberate, and beautifully finished all season long without demanding hours of fussy maintenance. In 6th place, repeat a color or material from your house to instantly tie the whole yard together. This simple design trick makes your mailbox look intentional rather than like an isolated object left by the street. You do not need an exact match or expensive custom pieces to make this work. If you have black shutters, choose a black mailbox. If your house features crisp white trim, plant a cluster of white flowers at the base of the post. You can also match red or pink flowers to your front door. Use brick edging that mirrors the brick on your porch, or install dark metal numbers that coordinate with your front door hardware. The secret is to keep the rest of the mailbox bed quiet and simple, which allows these small, repeated details to stand out. It creates a beautiful visual thread that guides the eye right to your front door. Number 7 on our list, you can have the most beautiful mailbox post on the block, but if your address numbers are crooked, faded, or falling off, the entire look falls apart. Small, functional details are what turn an ordinary mailbox into a finished, high-end feature. Swap out old peeling sticker numbers for clean, modern metal digits that are at least 4 inches tall, so they are easy for visitors and emergency services to read. Make sure they contrast sharply with your post. Light numbers on dark wood or dark metal on a white surface. While you are at it, replace rusted hinges, coordinate your latch hardware, and top the post with a simple clean cap to protect the wood from rot. Keep the design simple and uncluttered, removing any faded seasonal decorations, before swapping hardware to ensure your new finishes match neighborhood standards. Number 8 on our list, the easiest way to ruin a beautiful mailbox makeover is by adding too much decor. When it comes to finishing touches, choose just 1 restrained feature, not 5. Mailboxes get cluttered fast with plastic signs and ornaments that eventually look messy. Instead, go for 1 simple accent, like a warm solar light, a wooden post cap, or a single potted flower at the base. This keeps the area looking polished and easy to maintain while preserving clear access for your mail carrier. Before you dig or attach anything new, always double-check your local municipal guidelines. By keeping it simple, your mailbox will look intentional and welcoming. If you want more low-cost ways to make your home look finished, watch our next video on front porch updates. Subscribe to the channel for more real-world curb appeal guides. Across these 8 upgrades, one truth shines through. Real curb appeal lives in the details. Elevating your mailbox proves that small, deliberate care makes your entire home feel finished and welcoming. Watch another Yard Glow Up video to keep transforming your space, and subscribe for more easy guides.